Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to the first NightSky Newscast of 2023. I'm Shainna Alipon, Senior Ambassador of Astronomy and Science Reporter with the Dale Etheridge Planetarium at the College of Southern Nevada. Today we're here at the Planetarium lobby, and this week we'll be covering what's up in our night skies. This year's first full moon will happen on Friday, January 6th, and is called the Wolf Moon by the Old Farmer's Almanac. The names of full moons depend on which month it occurred in. The almanac takes these full moon names from different places, like Native American, Colonial American, and European cultures. The January full moon became known as the Wolf Moon because it was believed that wolves were more likely to be heard howling during this time. Another fitting name is Center Moon by the Assiniboine people of the northern Great Plains. For the Assiniboine, this moon roughly marks the middle of the cold season. This month's full moon is a micromoon. This means the moon is at its farthest point away from Earth, known as apogee in astronomy terms. Maybe when the full moon rolls around, you can howl at it just like a wolf. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower peaks on Tuesday, January 3rd at around 7 p.m. local time. It runs from mid-November through mid-January each year. The source of the Quadrantids appears to come from somewhere below the Big Dipper. However, this point is so far north that the peak actually isn't visible from Las Vegas. We can best see it after midnight when this point rises above the horizon and, of course, away from city lights. Fun fact, the Quadrantid Meteor Shower gets its name from a constellation that doesn't exist anymore. The constellation was called Quadrantid and was created in 1795 by French astronomer Jerome Lalande. When the International Astronomical Union created the list of the official 88 constellations in 1922, Quadrantid was left out and thus was forgotten. Now for our featured shows this January at the Dale Etheridge Planetarium. Our 3:30 p.m. show, only on Saturdays, is Zula Patrol, Under the Weather. This kids show is about space hero Zula Patrol learning about weather on Earth and on other planets as they rescue their pet Gorga from evil villain Dark Truder. The rest of the shows featured are both on Fridays and Saturdays. Our 6 p.m. show is Two Small Pieces of Glass, The Amazing Telescope. This show is, as you can imagine, all about telescopes. At 7 p.m. is Seeing, a photon's journey across space, time, and mind. Narrator Neil deGrasse Tyson takes us through exactly the process of how we see things, like the light of a distant star. Finally, for the 8 p.m. show, we have Europe to the Stars, ESO's observation of the southern sky, all about the history and discoveries of the European Southern Observatory, or ESO for short. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed your time with us, give us a like and subscribe to see future videos. This is Shainna with NightSky Newscast, and until next time, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.